Is your home making you sick? It might be, and you may not even know it. The air inside your home can trap dust, allergens, moisture, and even pollutants that affect your health and comfort. But one powerful solution is making it easier for families to breathe clean, healthy air.
We don't want air going in and out of walls, cooling down or heating up, because then it's going to gain or lose moisture, which will cause biological growth in the walls, mold, whatever you want to call it. When you look at an ASHRAE virus chart, you're going to see that if I can keep your air between 40 and 55 in relative humidity in your home, you're never going to be healthier. Your bacteria, viruses, they all die at about 50% relative humidity. The only way we can control what happens in a house is by air sealing it. That's exactly what we're doing here today. If you're not testing, you're guessing. The only way I want to look at a house is to have a blower door and an infrared camera. When we put a blower door on the house and we start sucking air out of the house, if I've got a 10-degree difference between inside and outside, as that air from outside comes across the building materials, all of the contaminant pathways through the outlets or at the ceiling, you're going to be able to see where that heat is traveling through the walls into this structure. That lets us know where we've got to air seal. Every home I go out on, I'm testing.
IDI Insulation Distributors, one of the nation's largest insulation distributors, is helping contractors and homeowners get it right.
At IDI, one of the main things we do is train contractors on building science and our industry. We really want them to understand the way the building works and to do the best job possible for customers.
On this project, we're using open cell from natural polymers. Natural polymers is a lower VOC product that is very good for people that have respiratory issues. The natural polymer is a certified Green Guard Gold.
When we spray foam a building, we are taking two different chemicals, mixing them together, and on-site manufacturing foam. The same foam that's in the chair I'm sitting in, the same foam on the couch or the bed you sleep in. This is one of the safest processes you can imagine. We've done this in millions of homes. One of the major things that's going on here today is we have designed a ventilation system to create a lot of negative pressure upstairs. There's ventilation right by the sprayer, sucking all of that to the outside. We made sure outside that we were making great foam, that the foam we were processing looked beautiful. Then we went in the attic, then we're ventilating, and now the homeowners can be confident when they come back that a beautiful job was done, it's going to meet their needs, and they're not going to have issues.
We were having some issues at our house. It was getting way too hot during the day, and also I suffer of allergies, so we needed to, something done at our house. We found IDI distributors to help us to solve the issue. My expectations is having a better night's sleep, having a healthier air quality, and saving energy.
From spray foam to fiberglass and everything in between, IDI's commitment goes far beyond distribution. Their national training programs bring contractors together to learn directly from some of the most experienced building science, insulation, and spray foam technicians in the business.
We offer classes around the country. For the new customer, it's a very good picture of what their business is going to look like and how to improve certain things. For the old contractor, we offer ways to improve and to maximize their profitability. We also have new products and new techniques, and the codes, they're usually changing.
The spray foam we're using here on this project today, it is the same product that we are using in commercial applications.
When it comes to keeping your home comfortable, energy efficient, and safe, IDI Insulation is one of the most important investments you can make.
The one thing I would say is make sure your contractor that you choose is well-trained, understands, ventilation, the building science behind it. If it were my house, the only ones I would allow to come in are going to be testing instead of guessing. They're going to have the blower door, they're going to have the infrared camera, and they will have come through our training.
To learn more about IDI Insulation Distributors, visit their website, idi-insulation.com. Or you can see this segment again on designingspaces.tv.